Welcome, today in front of me NUBIA Red Magic 5NS, and I'll show you the loudest speaker level of this device. So I'll do this with the help of the decibel meter, and now I'll set here the maximum mode, and this mode means that when the decibel meter will reduce the highest volume of our device speaker here, so the value on the display will change. So let's start. So as you can see, our device reached 112.7 decibels. That's it, thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.